So next po. So ito yung update din po sa main road natin. And next is ang manhole and drainage line installation sa main road po. So as of today, the project has reached 30% completion, which is a strong, indicator that we are moving steadily towards our vision. And then, mo niya to ang live map po. So as of today din po, we have a total of 205 active units sa Sirate. So, of course, Sirate, naa siya yung mga amenities and include rin ang ato ang Sirate Gate, ang ato ang multi-purpose clubhouse, and basketball or tennis court. Dili mo malintan ang parks and of course the bike lane po. So these are the native trees that will be planted sa Sirate, ang Salingugon, and then the Antsoan, and of course the Bagawak Morado, and the CR, Balay Lamok, and Banaba. So as you can see, Sirate is not just Sirate is more than just building houses. It is about providing clients with a better and quality home while ensuring a sustainable future. And that ends my part of the presentation. Thank you.